Om Vakradundamahakaya Surya Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karashyami Siddhir Me Sada Saṃskṛtam Dayanandam Paramarthasvarupinam Tattvajnana Prashastaram Pranatosmi Param Padam Vagartha Vivasampraktau Vagartha Pratipatthaye Jagatah Pitaro Vande Parvati Parameshwaro Yenaksharasamagnayam Adhigamya Maheshwarat Kritsnam Vyakaranam Proktam Tasmai Paninaye Namaha Vakyakaram Vararuchim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Sutrakarancha Pranatosmi Munitrayam Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Vishavahai Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. I think we did up to here, right? 26. Now let us continue further. Not wanting to become a poet. I write poetries. How do you translate this? Not wanting to become a poet. I write poetries. Main Kriya is?
I write poetries. Aham kavita likhami.
Aham?
Kavita.
Likam.
Kavi?
Kavitaha.
Kavitaha, very good. Kavita.
Please.
Because Bhagavachanam. Aham kavitam likami. And not wanting to become a poet.
Kavi.
Vibhavitum na.
Huh?
Kavina.
Na ichchami.
Na ichchami, what ichchami?
Kavina Bhavan.
Kavina Bhavan?
Vibhavitum na ichchami.
Not wanting to become a poet. You have to, okay. Shatranta we have to use. I who do not want to become a poet. Right?
Icchan.
Write poetries. Yes. Anichan.
Anichan.
Ichan. Nanja of that, negative of that. Anichannapi varshneya. Kaladeva niyojitaha. Right? Then Kavi is hanging. We have to complete.
Kavina Bhavan. Bhavanti, so Bhavan.
Kavina Bhavan, that will come. It's not me. Kavihi, Kavina Bhavan. What is Kavi? What is Bhavan?
So Bhavan, that Bhavanti, I thought, so the Shatranta Rupam will be Bhavan.
Bhavan, Bhavanto, Bhavantaha, but not wanting to become.
So Na Bhavan will be what one?
Na Bhavan, no. Na Bhavan will not come. Bhavan is
so Kavi
referring to the person.
Anichan.
Yeah, Bhavitum. So, bhavitum na ichchami. What bhavitum?
Bhavitum.
Huh?
Kavihi bhavitum.
Not kavihi bhavitum.
Kavi nahi.
Kavim bhavitum.
Kavi bhavitum.
I don't want to become a kavi. So, bhavitum. Kavihi. Kavihi. Kavi also can, it has to be a subjective complement. Aham, see, here we have the bhudhatu, right? So, bhudhatu is, interesting thing is bhudhatu is sakarmaka or akarmaka. Bhudhatu is sakarmaka or akarmaka. Akarmaka dhatu.
Akarmak.
Therefore, kavim will come or kavihi will come.
Kavihi.
That also you have to think. Therefore, because subjective complement, right? Not subject complement, just as we saw, Ramaha Veeraha Bhavati, subjective complement, right? Similarly here also. So not wanting to become Kavihi Bhavitum is valid, not Kavim Bhavitum. Aham Kavihi Bhavitum Anichan. You can say that Aham Kavihi Na Bhavitum. Because Bhavitum, to become, right? It is Tumananta. It is Tumananta. So therefore Kavihi Bhavitum, you can say like that. That is, I think that is proper. Understand? Kavihi Bhavan, there is no Bhavan. Bhavan is Shatranta. Kavihi Bhavan means I who am, that meaning will come. Okay. Understand? So Kavihi Bhavitum Anichan Aham Kavitaha Likami. This is sentences grammatically. It's valid. Okay. In case of some akarmaka dhatu, then that what precedes can be a karma. But here it is, sorry, in case of sakarmaka dhatu, here it is akarmaka dhatu. Bhudhatu, akarmaka dhatu. Bhudhatu, suppose if it is causative, then it can take karma. But here it will not. Kavihi bhavitum. Like I will give another example. Kavihi, for example, bhutva, aham, kavitaha likam, right? Bhutva, I'm using just bhutva. Not kavim bhutva, kavihi bhutva. Being kavi. Being kavi, I write poetries.
Likami.
Sorry, likami, yeah. Likami it is. That's right. Right? So similarly here also. Kavihi bhavitam aham na ichchami, that is fine, well. Okay. The same thing, karmani would be kavitaha
Likhyate. Maya likhyate.
likhyante, bhagavachanam.
Likyant.
Kavintaha likhyante.
Kavitaha likhyante maya. And anichan will be
Anichata.
anicchata. Kavihi bhavitum anicchata maya kavitaha likhyante. Right? And what is here? Why 2 times? Future tense, huh? Other one is future tense, okay. Yes, yeah. Not wanting, okay. Future tense, sorry. Not wanting to become a poet, I will write poetries. So here it would be,
Lekishyami.
yes.
Aham kavitaha
Yeah, aham kavitaha
likishyam.
lekishyami. Future tense, right? Aham kavitaha lekishyami. Kavim bhavitum Here also we need to change. Icchan, ishdatu. We saw eshishyati,
Eshishyan.
eshishyan. Now, eshishyan. Na eshishyan.
Aneshishyan.
So, na eshishyan. Na, it is na, okay. Na eshishyan. When you make a compound like this, this is nanj tatpurusha. Okay. Negative. Okay, I'll explain what is that. Na ichan also, anichan, how it comes. Then we understand. Ichan, na ichan.
Anichan.
Okay, before that I will say. Dharmaha, na dharmaha,
Adharma.
adharmaha. This is negative. Dharma, adharma. Sharam, aksharam. Like that we can, just simple. Na, what will happen to na dharmaha? Na dharmaha, here, nakara plus akara is.
So Nakara is dropped.
Technically, this is how it happens, actually. But the sutra, but we don't require sutra now. Here, you can see. Nakara plus akara. Nakarasya lopaha
Lopa.
bhavati. Then when it becomes lopaha, then what you have? Alone is left out. So for dharmaha, nakara is removed. Nakara goes away. Lopaha bhavati. That's a rule, in fact. By that, when does it happen, lopaha? When the word begins with a consonant.
Swallowed.
Ali. Consonant.
Mm.
In the case of here, ichan, na ichan, the word begins with
The vowel. Swara.
So therefore, here what will happen? Same, but here na is
Replaced by an.
nakara plus a only. Same. Plus ichan. So here what happens is nakarasya lopaha bhavati, that is common. Then after that, this will get one nut agama. One nut agama will come. Therefore, an will be there. An plus ichan, anichan. That is why I always say, if the word is the word begins with a vowel, then you add an before that. Otherwise, a and an. Understand? Same logic here. Yeshishyan,
Aneshishyan.
Yeshishyan. So begins with the vowel. Therefore, an plus Yeshishyan, Aneshishyan. Aneshishyan, suppose if it occurs in the sentence somewhere, you have to scratch your head. What is this Aneshishyan? If you know the context, at least we can make it. Otherwise, Aneshishyan word alone is difficult. Na Eshishan, not will be desiring, right? So kavim bhavitum aneshishan. Aneshishan. Aham kavitam lekishyami, right? Karmani would be lekishyami. Kavitaha
Lekishyate.
ente.
Ante kavitaha lekishyante.
Maya kavitaha. Aneshishan will become
Aneshishyan.
aneshishyata. Kavihi bhavitum aneshishyata. Kavitaha likyante. So it may look complicated. It's not complicated. It helps us develop the language. So then, if we do this, then all other sentences will become simple for us. You can just easily understand. That's why karmani also we do. Not only karmani, other lakaras also you can extend this into other lakaras. Why not? Likami is there. Already we have done. I'm not going to do it now. Already all the 4 lakaras, sarvadhartika lakaras and all we have done, right? We have done, and we have done karmani and all before. Reading books, I get happiness. Obtain happiness. Obtain, get. What is that?
Apnomi, prapnomi.
Labhyati.
Prapnomi. Yeah, tell me. What else?
Say Sukam labhyati.
No. Labhe.
Aham labhe.
Labe, Uttama Purusha, right? Labe. Then what else? Anything else is there?
Apnomi.
Vindami.
Vindami.
Apnami. Vinda, Vidadatu. The sense of Sukam Vindate. Vindami, right? What else? Anything else is there? If anything else we can do, obtain, get. Huh?
Prapnomi.
Prapnami is there, already given. So aham prapnomi. What?
Sukham.
Sukam. Aham sukam prapnomi. Then reading books. Reading. Pustakam.
Pustakani.
Pustakani.
Okay.
Patan.
Yeah, pustakani. Now here patan. Pustakani patan aham. Right? Sukam prapnomi labe vindami. Same thing will be in future tense. Pustakani prapnomi. Okay, very good. Prapnomi. Future tense. Try. Abdatu. Abdatu plus
Apsyati.
sya plus ti becomes
Prapsyati.
prapsyati. Prapsyami becomes
Prapsyami.
prapsyami. Right? Lab will become
Labhyate.
no. Labe is the lab. Here we need to sandhi. Sandhi rule is important. Lab plus sya plus mi. Syami.
Lapsyami. Lapsyami.
Lapsyami. What is the rule? Takara followed by Stakara. What will apply? Any other rule possible here? We can apply only Karicha. Kar letter follows, therefore, Chartva Desha. We get Lapsyami. Aham Lapsyami. I will gain. Vindadatu. Vidalu. Labe. It is in the which conjugation? By seeing that, you should be able to tell which conjugation Vindami.
No, Angakari.
Dhatu is with the dhatu in 5 conjugations.
9.
With the
No
dhatu
math.
is in the with the dhatu in the 4th conjugation, 2nd conjugation, 6th conjugation, 7th conjugation, 10th conjugation also is there. But in 2nd conjugation is in the jnane. From that only we get vedaha, etc. And with the 3rd conjugation in the sense of asti, vidyate, nasato vidyate bhavaha, right? Vidyate asti in that meaning. 6th conjugation in the sense of labe. Vidyaya vindate mritam. Kutra asti? Vidyaya vindate mritam. Which Upanishad? Kaivalya. I think Kaivalya. Okay, anyway. So here become vindami becomes with the plus future tense.
Yeah.
With the plus ya plus me. What will happen to vidya?
Vedasyami.
Yeah, vidya it is there. So sya follows. Labdhatu I didn't do because labdhatu anit dhatu. Okay. Whereas this dhatu, vidya dhatu is set dhatu or anit dhatu. Of course, you have to refer to the dhatu kosha. Just check. It is, I think, it is set dhatu and tudadigana anit dhatu. It's not set. Tudadi is anit dhatu. It is anit. Okay. So therefore there is no ittagama. So with will become, we will become ve. That is possible. Ved, then dakara will be replaced by karicha, vet. Vetsyami. Form would be vetsyami. Aham vetsyami. So you are learning future tense also in this node. Vetsyami. All the future tense you can collect and then go through how already I have given the form how it comes. Vetsyami. Right? Then karmani, the form would be prapnomi becomes maya sukam. Sukam will become sukaha. No.
Sukham.
Sukam is always sukam. It is napumsakalinga. Maya sukam prapsyate. Prapsyate. Similarly, this will become
Labhyate.
Sorry,
Lapse,
sorry, Kshamyatam, sorry. This is, we are doing, this is
Prapyate.
Latlakara we are doing. Okay, Latlakara, not future tense. Future tense in second. This is Prapyate here. Maya
Prapyate.
Prapyate. We are doing Latlakara Karmani. Future tense is the second. Pretty B. Pustakani patan maya sukam prapyate sukam
Lapyate.
lapyate sukam
Vindya.
Vidya.
vidyate or vidyate. What will happen? Karmani. Vidyate. Dhatu
Vidyate.
is actually it is vind. With the labhe. Okay. It is dhatu is becomes vind in latlakara. Dhatu is with only.
Hmm.
Dhatu is with. The nakara, the num comes by a rule. For the fourth conjugation, the sha pratyaya comes, and with dhatu iromer we have seen. That is in Tudadigana, we have got one antargana, muchadigana, remember?
Hmm.
There, in muchadigana, the dhatus, when followed by shit pratyaya, will get num.
Hmm.
So, therefore, in latlakara, dhatu being with the plus sha plus tit, then shit, she follows. The dhatu, which is in the antargana, subgroup, in the sixth conjugation, will get num. Therefore, num comes, therefore, vind plus the na plus t, vindati you get, right? Now we are doing karmani. Dhatu is with only. With the plus, yak plus,
Yak. Te.
therefore form is
Vidyate.
vidyate. Therefore vidyate. Maya
Patata
sukam.
maya.
Sorry?
Patata maya.
Yeah, this become patata. Pustakani patata maya sukam prapsyate. Labhyate. Vidyate. Vidyate. One confused with the dhatu of the fourth conjugation. There, in Kartari itself, form is Vidyate. Whereas this dhatu in the sixth conjugation in Karmani, it is Vidyate. Right? Context. Nasato Vidyate Bhavaha. There Vidyate is fourth conjugation. There it is not Karmani. No? All that's why we need Pada Shastram. Pada Shastram, how can we study Shastram? Pada Shastram is important to analyze the words of the Shastram. Pada Shastram followed by Mimamsa. So, as someone said, Nagi Nagi Rakshati Dukring Karne. What is the use of reading grammar? That is not correct. Grammar is important to understand this. Otherwise, how do you do Vichara? Shastra Vichara is Atma Vichara. Without this, what is the meaning? How do you arrive at Tatparya? Okay, I will obtain happiness. So, Karmani. Future tense. Now here become Rapsyate, right? Similarly, here become Lapsyate.
Lapsyate.
Similarly, here become Vidya plus Sya plus Ya plus Te will become
Vetsyate.
Vetsyate, right?
Vetsyate.
Vetsyate. Vidya will become Ve. And then Chatvam Syate. Vetsyate. Maya Vetsyate. What? Sukam. Pustakani patata maya sukam vetsyate. Understand?
Patishyata.
Huh?
Patata will become future tense.
Yeah, that also you can change. Like here, then here also we have to reading books. Okay. Anyway, petition. Make like this also.
Patishyata.
It becomes patishyata. Pustakam patishyata. I who will be reading books will be getting happiness. No. The jackal going to the forest finds meat. Okay. Raja, you tell. Finds meat. Which one of you?
Mamsam Vindati.
First you say find, then you can do mamsa. Karta, karma, first is kriya, then karta, then karma. That is your sentence should be formed. Kriya is,
We can use Vindati.
oh, finds, obtains, gets same thing. Yes, same, we can use, why not? Same thing. I'll talk to the same thing. Any other word anyone remember? Finding? Can tell. Prapnoti, labate, or vindati. It's correct. Vindati, or any other word if you need Kriya Padam, you can use. What does it find?
Mamsam.
Mamsam. Mamsam is mamsam only. Right? Mamsam is Napumsakalinga. Mamsam. Kaha.
Vanam.
No. Kaha. Oh.
Shrigala.
Karta.
Oh, Shlaga.
Shligala.
Shlag.
Shrigalaha. Shrigalaha mamsam prapnoti. See. Then going to the forest will become Shrigala is qualified by
Vanam.
Vanam Gachan
Vanam Gachan. Shlaga.
Shrigalaha mamsam prapnoti. Simple sentence, right? The same thing will be in Karmani. Again, start from the Kriya Padam. Here, Shigala is Ekavachanam. Mamsam, you have to look at the karma, not at the karta. Karma is Ekavachanam. Therefore,
Prapyate.
Mamsam Prapyate. Mamsam Labhyate. Mamsam
Vindyate.
Vidyate, not Vindate. Vidyate. Vidyate. Nakara is not there. Nakara will come only when Shakara, Sha follows. Here Yak follows in Karmani, right?
Yes.
Kena.
Shrigala.
Shrigalena.
Valena.
Shigalena Mamsam. Mamsam is Pratama Ekavachanam. Don't think it is Dutiya. Karta is in Tritiya. And Gachana will become
Gachata.
Gachata Shigalena. Kutra Gachata Vanam Gachata Shigalena Mamsam Yate. Now, future tense will be Prap already we did. Will become Prapsyati, right? Prapsyati, Lapsyati, and this is Vetsyati, right? Kaha Shiralava. Kim Mamsam. Kidrishaha Shiralaha Vanam
Commission.
Commission. Understand, Rajaji?
Yes, please.
Now, Karmani would be Prap.
Guruji, with Labate, plus,
Yes.
earlier we wrote Labate first 29 years. So why here?
29? Yeah.
Is it
Kartari.
that's why
Huh?
the dhatus.
Atmanepadi. Yes. Oh, yeah, you're saying. Yeah, sorry. Right. Yeah, you're right. Then I have to change Lapsyami. That is wrong. Lapsyate is correct. Yeah, very good. Sorry, I didn't see that.
Lapsi.
So it becomes Lapsya. Aham Sukam. Okay. Aham Sukam, not Lapsyami. Lapsye.
Lapsi.
Yeah, you're right. Sorry. Labdhatu is Atmanepadi. Aham Sukam Lapsye. Lapsye. Then, okay, that is one. I think other places are all correct. Labate, Labhyate. Lapsyate. Okay, here Kartari. Prapsyati. Shigalaha. Lapsyate. Lapsyate only. Yeah, lab plus ya plus te lapsyate, and Karmani also it will be same. Rupam will be same. Future that you can see that will be same. Only in Latlakara labate labhyate. In future tense, because the dhatu is Atmanepadi, therefore both will be similar. Form will be similar. Right? So Vanam Gachata Shigalena Mamsam Prapsyate Lapsyate Vidyate. Vidyate, not Vidyate, sorry. Vetsyati will become
Vetsyate.
Vetsyate. Right? Okay. Here also Pustakani, not Prapsyate, Lapsyate, Vetsyate. Yeah, that's Vetsyate. Well done. That's correct. Karmani vetsyate. Right? I think it's correct now. I'll change it to labda to correctly. Yes, it's a good point. Labda to you can note. Because it is Atmane Paridhatu, therefore the form will look same. And Latlakara, you will have difference. Of course, the difference is obvious. Labate labhyate. Similarly here also. Here it is aham, therefore lapsye. And when you make it kartari, maya lapsyate. That's fine. Here it is fine. But Atmane Pari only. Understand? But here, okay. Yeah. Here it is Pratama Purusha. So Shikalaha as a Karta Pratama Purusha. And Mamsam as the Karma, that is also Pratama Purusha, therefore Lapsate. Okay. So that will be because it is third person, Pratama Purusha. Therefore Lapsate. Understand? I hope it's not confusing. So Lapsate only. Instead of Shigala, if you put Aham, then what will happen? Here also, instead of Shigala, suppose if I say Aham, then what will be the form? For example, here. Rapnoti will become Rapnomi, right?
Rapnomi.
Labate will become Labe.
Lape.
This will become
Vindami.
Vindami. Then this is as Aham. Same thing in Karmani, it will become in Karmani, right? It will become Shrigalena. So Vanam Gachan Aham. Okay, I'm making it Aham.
Yeah.
So Vanam Gachata Maya, right? Mamsam Rapye. Mamsam
Lapye.
Labye. Mamsam Vidye. Right? Okay, this should be the first. This should be the second. Let's see. Here I'm just changing the karta. Maya. Prapye, prapyate. Labye, labhyate. Vidye, vidyate. Same thing in future tense also. Suppose if I make this karta as myself. Vanam Gamishan.
Aham.
So this is really as it is. Vanam, okay. Vanam Gamishan Aham. Mamsam
Rapsyam.
Rapsyami. Becomes here
Lapsyami.
Lapsyami. Similarly here
Vetsyami.
Karmani, it will be future. Vanam Gachata Maya.
Rapsye.
Mamsam Prapsye. Then or Lapsye.
Lapsye. Vetsye.
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 Guruji, why we are using aham here? Aham maya, why we are using?
Why we are using Aham Maya? Just changing the karta. Here karta is Pratham Purusha. So you have a Prapsyati, etc. Lapsyati, Pratham Purusha accordingly. I'm changing to Aham to show the difference.
Okay.
Lapsyate for Prathama Purusha, both in Kartari and Karmani, looks same. It's not, and whereas this is not Lapsyami. So Dhatu is again Lapsyami, not Lapsyami. Lapsye. Aham, Mamsam, Lapsye. To show that in Purusha, it is Lapsyate, that is the Karta is Shihalaha, and here is Karmani Priyaha Karta is in Tritiya, but form is Lapsyate only because Dhatu is Atmanepadi. And here I am showing you that aham is uttama purusha. Aham lapsye. And when you make it here, maya mamsam, not lapsye, lapsyate.
Lapsyate.
Lapsyate is here showing lapsyate. You can see the difference. In uttama purusha, when you use the karta is uttama purusha, aham, then lapsye. In karmani, tatam purusha will be the subject, mamsam. So mamsam lapsyate maya. So in the case of Pratama Purusha, Kartari and Karmani, the Kriya Padam looks same. Whereas in the case of Uttama Purusha and as well as Madhyama Purusha, it will not be. Because Uttama Purusha in Kartari, in keeping with the Kriya Padam would be. In Karmani, in keeping with the Karma. And Karma is Pratama Purusha. Right? Not you, not me, someone else. So therefore you will have to show that only. Here it's Lapsye and correspondingly here Lapsyate. Here Lapsye, Aham Lapsye. Here is Maya Lapsyate. That is the point. Understand?
Yes.
Understand? So I write here. Shihalaha Lapsyate. Shihalena Lapsyate. Now, change to Aham Lapsye. I'm doing this is both are this is not both are, this is Kartari, this is Karmani, right? Now Aham becomes Maya. Maya Lapsyate. Similarly, Tom will become
Laphe. Lapse.
not Tom.
Lapsa.
Tom will become, it is Atmanipadi. Shaitante se. Tom lap sya se. Tom lapsya se. And here it will become Tvaya. Lapsyate only. To show that only I have taken Aham. Understand, Rajaji?
Yes, Guruji.
It's not complicated. I mean, it may be a little confusing, but to show that. In Pratama Purusha, the form is same. That's the idea. That's Pratama Purusha in both in Kartari and Karmani. It looks same. I mean, Kriyapadam looks same. Right? So just by saying Lapsyate, cannot tell what it is. You have to see the Karta in the sentence. If Karta is in Tritiya, then it is Karmani Priya. If it is Pratama, then the Karta is in Tritiya, then Karmani Priya. Karta is in Pratama, then Kartari Priya. Right? Okay. Next one. I want to think only of God. Rosalia, you try. So here also two verb is there. One is will be an adjective, other one will be Mukhya Kriya. Want is the main verb, Mukhya Kriya.
Ichami.
So Ichami. Kaha. Ichami itself says Aham Ichami. What?
Ichami. Think only of God.
Think
Devam.
is Devam. Smaran. Yes, Smaran. Okay. Devam Smaran or Chintayan. Anyone. Okay. Devam Smaran Aham Ichami. Right?
Kevalam only.
Kevalam.
Only.
Devam Eva.
Eva.
Avadharanarthe. Eva. Only. Not anything else. So the same thing in future tense. Devam. Not Deva. Anuswara. Ichami will become. We saw just many times we have used this word. Eshishyami, right? Eshishyami. Aham eshishyami. And here will become Chinta, Smaran, and Chinta. Smrudhatu. Smru dhatu, future tense. Smru plus ya plus ti. Smru dhatu, state or anit. You have to find out the state or anit. It is anit dhatu. Okay. Therefore, form would be
Smarshyate.
in Latlakara, Kartari, Smru plus Sya plus
Smarshyate.
Ti.
Smar.
So it becomes Smru will become Smar,
Smar.
right? Smar. And Dhatu is, even though it is Anit, but Smru Dhatu, it is one exception is for Smru. Rikaranta Dhatu, Itagama will come specifically for, I think, yeah, this class only, this class or some class. I don't know what, not for this class maybe. Rikaranta Dhatu, very particularly when Sya Pratyaya follows, Ittagama will come only for Sya Pratyaya, only for future tense will come. There is a rule. Rikaranta Dhatu as well as Andhatu. Riddhanoho Sye. And Sutram is that. Himata Dhatu is Anit Dhatu, but for Sya, it's a special. The Ittagama will come. And also, it cannot be Smarsyati, doesn't, there's no ruchi in that. Smarishyati, that form is fine, right? Understand? For Smarishyati is a rupam. Smar plus Ishya, then Shatvan, form is Smarishyati. So, and here it becomes Smarishyan.
Smarishyati.
Smarishyan. Chatanta.
Smarishyan.
Smarishyan, Smarishyanto, Smarishantaha. Devameva Smarisyan or Chinta, Chitadatu, Chiti,
Chintayami.
which is Chinta Ishyan. Chinta conjugation. Chinta Ishyan. Aham Eshishyami, right? I will want to think of only God. Possible, like that. Now, back to this. Karmani would be? Rosalie. Karmani. Aham will become Maya, right?
Maya.
What about Dhatu?
Um,
Karmani. Aham Ichhami Maya Ishyate. Simple.
Ishyati.
This is the practice. Maya Ishyate should tell me. Let's come. Maya Ishyate. Aham Ichhami. Maya is Davo Chintayata.
Chintayata.
Smarata.
Smarata.
Devam Smarata Chintayata Maya Ishyate. Now, same thing in future tense. It would be Maya Ishyate. It will become Maya Eshishyate.
Eshishyati.
Maya Eshishyate. And here become Chintayata
Chintayishyata.
Chintayishyata. Chinta Ishyata. Smarta will become
Parishyata.
Smarishyata. Devam Smarishyata Chintayata Chintayishyata Maya Eshishyate. Devam Eva. Right?
We see Devam, we need to change.
Devam may need not, because that is the karma for Smr Dhatu here. That will not change.
Karmani it will not take
It
Prathama.
has not connection to the.
Mukhya Vak.
Okay, therefore that will remain. Smarishyata is qualifying Maya. So that will remain as it is. No? That will not change. Like we have seen before.
Generally, we've
See,
seen Karma.
Does it change here? Smarishyan, Devam.
Because this is active.
Okay, but Deva is the karma for Smarishyan. See, when the Kriya Padam is there, then accordingly it is a verbal derivative acting as an adjective to the subject of the sentence. So therefore, the factors which are connected to this, that will not be affected. No. Let me think what you say seems to be Yes. But here it will not. Let us see some example. What we are seeing. Vanam gacchata maya. Suppose you take this part alone, right? You take this sentence, analyze. Vanam gacchata. What does it mean? Vanam gacchata is
Going to the forest.
Here
you
it is
take this part alone. Vanam,
here both are Vanam only. So
no, both are
Vanam only.
Vanam. Okay. Maya Vanam gacchata vayam Vanam. Vanam. Okay. So here, okay. Smaran Devaha. Smaran is equal to Aham Devam Smaran Aham. Aham Devam Smarati. Devam Smarata Aham. So by you make
Dev.
that
Devaha.
Devaha Sparatamaya.
no, it cannot be Devaha Smarta Maya. Okay, one minute. Let us see other example. Right, apt example. Pustakani.
Yeah. So that remains karma only, no? For the Smaran Kriya, it is the karma only. So second karma Dvitiya Vibhakti only.
Yeah, Smarata. It is karma only, but
It is karma for Smaran Kriya.
Devam eva Smaran Chinten Aham Gacchami. Okay. Devam eva Smarata. So for the Smrudhatu, the Devam is the karma. Karmatva that remains as it is. I'm just trying to find an answer to explain this. I'll have to take some other example. Yes.
But Guruji, here for this sentence, Shatranta is maybe not required also, right? One second. I want to think only of God. God is thought um,
By me.
by me.
Give me a minute. Let me think. It's a good point what you asked, Leonardo. Suppose nothing. Give me 1 minute, I'll tell you. Finding an example. In fact, we have done this like this before also, not something new. Right? Before we have done karmani. It's not something. You see the same before. That time, you see, the doubt never came. I don't know why it is now. Really, you can see here. All these things we have done. Okay. Padatranam Krinan Rakeshaha. Right? Dhanasyuta Dhanam Svikaroti. Karmani. Dhanam Svikaroti. Svi, not Kriyate. Yeah. Dhanam Svikriyate is correct only. Dhanasyuta Dhanam Svikriyate Kena Rakesh. Shena. Krinata qualifying Rakeshana. Okay. The Padatranam happens to be okay.
It is
Padatranam, it is Napumsakalinga happens to be that. Take other one. Even if you take other one, because the form is same, it is not that. It is Dvitiya Vibhakti here. Here also it is Dvitiya. Because Napumsakalinga, the form looks same. Then also we need to ascertain the Vibhakti, right? Padatranam is the karma for Trinakriya. You have to take this alone. So Rakeshaha Padatranam Trinanti.
Trinati.
So that action for which the karma is Patranam. So, and when you make it karmani prayoga krinata rakeshena padatranam. Similarly, Geetam Shunvan karma Geetam Shunvata. Karyam Kurvata. Okay. All these are Napumsakalinga. We have to, I'm just trying to find some Pullinga. Any word Pullinga. Devam Pashyata. Bhaktaha Devam Pashyan Pradakshinam Karoti. Devam Pashyata Bhaktena Pradashinam Karoti. So, in the sentence, with regard to Mukhya Kriya only, Karta Karma will change. This is not a Mukhya Kriya. This is Mukhya Kriya Pashdhatu. With regard to which, whatever Karakas are there, that will not change, that will remain as it is. Otherwise, everything will become problem. That will remain as it is. In fact, the rule says, that is Mukhya Kriya Bhava Karmanoho Kriya Padam. Bhava Karmanoho Atmane Padam. Bhava Karmanoho Atmane Padam Bhavati. The rule is that in Bhave Prayoga and Karmani Prayoga, Atmane Pada Pratyaya will go. What are the Atmane Pada Pratyayas? Either we have Ta Atam Ja Ta Satam Vitvaki Magi, or we have Shanach Pratyaya, right? Shanach. Bhava Karmanoho. So, Shanach for the noun form. And Ting Pratyaya Te Ite Ante, that is Ta Atam Ja, that is for the verb. So that is according to the rule. So dhatus will take Atmanepada Pratyaya, that is the main dhatu, Mukhya Kriya in the sentence. Not the other dhatu. This is not other dhatu. This is a verbal derivative. So that will not, no, that is not Atmanepade, therefore, not Atmanepade. That is according to the Mukhya Kriya only, the Karta Karma is. According to the Mukhya Kriya, then the sentence there is Karta and Karma. This is not a Mukhya Kriya. Therefore, here, whatever the Karakas are there with regard to that Kriya, it will remain as it is. So here itself, we have done the example. Bhaktaha Devam Pashyan Pradakshinam Karoti. Karmani would be Kriyate. Bhaktena Pradakshinam Kriyate. Devam Pashyata Bhaktena. Suppose if you change, what would be? Devaha Pashyata. That will not be. So the Karta and Karma, with regard to the Mukhya Kriya, that is the Karmani Prayoga, Kartari Prayoga, that Prayoga, with regard to Mukhya Kriya only, that should be Samanadikaranyam between the Tinganta and the Kartrapadam in the Kartari Prayoga and Karma Padam in Karmani Prayoga. With regard to Mukhya Kriya. Mukhya Kriya only will take Tinganta. Tinganta only we have Atmanepada Pratyaya. So not here. So we cannot make it Devaha Pashyata. That will not make sense. This is according to the rule. See, Okay, when do you say a Kartari Prayoga? When do you say a Prayoga, a sentence is Kartari? How do you know a
Karta
sentence is
is
Kartari?
mukhya.
When, based on the Mukhya Kriya Padam, right?
Mm.
The Mukhya Kriya Padam, the Pratyaya is Tiptashi, Siptasta, Bipasmas, right?
Mm.
Then it is Kartari Prayoga. In the Mukhya Kriya, a Parasmai Padi Dhatu taking Atmane Pada Pratyaya. Then what Prayoga? Karmani Prayoga.
Karmani.
There, Kriya Padena Kim Abhigitam, Karma Abhigitam. Therefore, Karma in Pratama.
Mm.
Kriya Padena Karta is Anabhigitam, therefore, Karta is in Tritiya.
Mm.
Mukhya Kriyaya in Kartari Prayoga, Karta Abhigitam, therefore, Karta in Pratama Vibhakti.
Prathama.
Karma is Anabhigitam, therefore, Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Dvitiya. Mm.
All these are with regard to the Mukhya Kriya, right? But here it is not so. Here it is Pashyata. Pashyata is a verbal derivative. It's not a word ending with, it's not a Kriya Padam. It's not a Kriya Padam. With regard to Kriya, Mukhya Kriya Padam only we can say Karta and Karma. I mean, Karta is in Pratama and Karma is in Dvitiya, in Kartari, or in Karmani, Karta in Tritiya, Karma in Pratama. Okay. But here it is a verbal derivative. Therefore, with regard to that, whatever the karakas, the factors are there, that will remain as it is. So this Devam Pashyata is completely a valid sentence, extending the same logic. Extending the same logic here also. So here also, not that one. Okay. Extending the same logic also here. So Devam Smarata is correct. It's a good doubt because we need to think why it is so. So appreciate your thinking, Rajaji.
Okay.
The good thinking, yes, but that will not become like that here. So it is Devam only. Devam eva smaran aham ichchami. Devam eva smarata aham maya ishyate. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Mm.
Bhava karmanoho atmane padam. Sutram is that. In Bhave Prayoga, in Karmani Prayoga, Atmane Pada Pratyaya will come. And when Atmane Pada Pratyaya comes, Bhava Karmanoho, Atmane Pada Pratyaya is what are the Atmane Pada Pratyayas? Ta Atam Ja. So that will denote whatever, it is Karmani Prayoga or Bhave Prayoga. It will denote karma. The karma in Pratama Vibhakti. Therefore, that is only for Mukhya Kriya. So therefore, here it is, well, for verbal derivative, we cannot. Dhatoho Atmane Pada Pratyaha Bhavati. But here, what is the Atmane Pada? Dhatu is the Smrudhatu. Fine. Where is Atmane Pada? Where is Atmane Pada Pratyaya? Is it Atmane Pada Pratyaya? In fact, it is Shatra Pratyaya. Shatra Pratyaya, Tritiya Vibhakti of Shatra. Tritiya Vibhakti of Shatra. So this is not Atmane Pada Pratyaya at all. Only when only in Bhave Prayoga, Karmani Prayoga, only Atmane Pada Pratyaya will come. Right? So therefore here it will not come. In Shanaj we will see some good example. In Shanaj will come for Atmane Pada Dhatus. There we will see. Okay, so Devam Eva Smarishyata is correct. Okay.
Guruji, for this sentence, I want to think, for this sentence, I want to think only of God. Can we say, Aham Devam Eva Smaritum Ichchami?
Your voice is Not that much clear. Again,
Okay. For this sentence, can we say aham devam eva smaritum ichhami?
why not?
Then Shatranta for me for this sentence is not making sense because
Aham
thinking of
devam
God I want.
eva. Yeah, that is your choice. I want to use Shatranta, not we. I want to use Shatranta because that is exercise. Aham devam eva smartum ichhami. This is fine. But where is Shatranta? We want Shatranta, right? We want to use Shatranta exercise.
No,
Yes.
because when we convert this to Karmani, then Devam will take Prathama.
Devam, no, that also will not. Devam eva smartum maya ishyate. For Ichyati, what is the karma? Not Devam. For smartum only karma is Deva. That remains as it is. Will not change. Understand? Okay, you think of Shatranta, not God now. Also you get not get. Okay. Now, understand, Rajaji? Clear, no?
Yes.
So that will remain as it is. And we will add more and then see but how does it happen. Now this one you try it, Maita.
Yes, wishing to obtain wealth, please recite the hymns. So,
Reciting.
please recite hymns is the main.
Yeah, tell me, what is the Kriya Padam? Ratayati, Ratayati, reciting, repeating. Okay, Kaha. Ratayanti. Huh? Because,
Panditaha.
yeah, Panditaha, Pujakaha, whatever it is. I'll make it Pujakaha.
Okay.
Panditaha.
Shlokan ratayanti. Shlokan
Yes.
ratayanti.
Yes, Shloka is the karma, right? Shlokan ratayanti panditaha pujakaha archakaha, there is whatever it is, huh? Archakaha. Then wishing to obtain wealth. Yes.
Dhanam
Kimichan.
Dhanam icchan.
Yes.
Dhanam.
Dhanam ichan
Ichchataha.
archakaha. Ichantaha.
Icchantaha.
Dhanam ichantaha archakaha
Archaka.
shlokam ratayanti. Future tense you say, Maita.
Dhanam, sorry. First ratayanti, ratishyanti.
Ratishyanti, it is 10th conjugation. Ratishyanti. Okay. Archakaha shloka ratishyanti. And here, who will be desiring wealth?
Eshishyantaha.
Eshishyantaha archakaha shloka ratishyanti, right? Now this is in Karmani. Maita will say. See here. Say Maita.
Ratayante.
Rata. Okay, ratayante, fine. What is the who is a
Now shlokan should be in prathama, so shlokaha.
Yes. Shlokaha ratayante, that's good.
And archaka should be in tritiya.
Ratayante, sorry, number I'm writing. That is rati plus yak plus te. Ratyante, not ratayante. This ratyante. We are doing latlakara. Ratyante. Ratyante. Dhatu is rati. 10th conjugation. Rati plus yak, then E will go away. Ratyate. Okay. Not ratayante. We cannot make just like that. This is latlakara. Litlakara ratayante. Not ratayante. Ratishyante. Lokaha ratyante. By whom?
Archaka Archakena, but in Tritiya, one second, Ramena.
Ramayana,
Ramabhihi.
Ramabhyam.
Ramaihi, sorry. Archakaihi,
This
Shlokaha
should
Ratyan.
comes immediately, spontaneously, no thinking. Archakaihi. Shabda should be thorough. Then here,
Ichchata.
no.
One second, sorry. Bihi, Ichchabhihi.
Ichchadbihi.
Ichchadbihi, sorry.
Ichchata, Ichchadbyam. Ichchad. Patan, patanto, patantaha, patantam, patanto, patataha, patata, patadbyam, patadbihi. The Shabda, you remember, memorize it. Dhanam Ichchadbihi. That sentence is correct. Dhanam is karma only. Karma will not change. This is Dhanam Ichchadbihi, that remains as it says. That will not change. I mean, karma is karma only. Here also 2 1, here also 2 1 only. Karma for the Ichcha Kriya. That is how you have to see. Because it is a karma for the Ichcha Kriya. This is a noun. It can let it be any vibhakti, whatever it is. But it is the karma. Right?
Yes, Guruji.
Then same thing in future tense. Petition.
We are using labdhatu here. Wishing to obtain.
Wishing to obtain. Yeah. You can say Dhanam, desiring wealth. I mean, make it desiring wealth. Okay. You can make labdhatu also. Labdhatu, if I make, then we won't be able to do shana. Shana I have to do later. So let me take each one. In Karmani, suppose here if I use labdhatu, what will they form? Labdhatu is shanach. So therefore, what will happen? Labamanaha. I have to make like that. Right? Then to obtain means to desire, to get. Desiring wealth, wishing. Obtain.
That's why wishing is also there, obtain is also there. So can we labishyanta, can you say? Or?
No. Wishing to obtain wealth. Dhanam. You need not take every word other to translate. It will become difficult. The meaning is he desires wealth, right? He wants to get wealth. So the sense of desire also should be there in gaining. Okay. So I make like this. Otherwise, what will happen? Okay, you're asking next question. But it makes it a little complicated. I tell you what is that. Labdhatu. Lab means what? To gain, to attain, right?
Yes.
To attain. Desire to attain. That is what is desire to attain, wishing to attain, all same. Okay. Then you have to convert the labdhatu into a desiderative. Desiderative means need to add san pratyaya, which we have not seen. Sananta I have taken for other class. It's going on more than 53 classes. It's on. San alone. San is an ardhatika pratyaya. So like we have Mokta
Mumuksha.
Mumuksha or Mumukshuhu, the person is Mumukshuhu. Icha is Mumuksha. Right? Similarly, Vaktamicha, Vivaksha. Vaktamichuhu, Vivakshuhu. Similarly, we have
Bhoktamicha,
Bhoktamicha, Bubuksha. Bhoktamichuhu, Bubukshuhu. These are all Sananta, deterioratives. In fact, we can direct Kriya also. Why not? Dhatu is mumukshati, bubukshati, right? This becomes vivakshati, and this is bubukshati. And shatranta will be mumukshan, mumukshanto, mumukshantaha. Vivakshi. We are going from here to here. Somewhere we are traveling. Bubukshan. Possible. Bukshan, right? Shatranta. Similarly, labdatu. Now, labdum icha, we don't know what it is. Labdatu. Labdum icha
Lipsa.
is, huh?
Is it lipsa? Lipsa.
Labdum icha is lipsa. It's good.
Mm.
Sananta is lipsa.
Mm.
How the form comes, we don't know. Don't worry. We are not
Mm.
interested. Lipsa is labdum icha. Labdum ichuhu, lipsuhu.
Lipsuhu. Mm.
Now here it become
Lipsati.
lipsate because atmanepadi.
Lipsate.
And here it will become
Lipsan.
lipsamana. Shana will come.
Lipsamana.
So lipsamana is the one who is desirous of gaining. This is what we have to use. Do we record Rajaji? So we have not seen first of all Shanach. Second thing is sun itself, we don't know. So if you use, suppose if you use Dhanam lipsamanaha, that is the exact translation if you want to do it. You can make like that. That Shanach you will see it. So Dhanam lipsamanaha. If you know this much Saṃskṛtam, nobody can shake you. It's a long way to go. I will add some more. Kartum icha. Okay. Why kartum icha? Jnatum icha.
Jignasa.
Jignasa. Atato brahma jignasa. Jnatum ichuhu.
Jignasuhu.
And will become
Jignasan.
Jignasati.
Jignasati. Jignasan.
We can do the Shatranta of the Sananta Rupam Jignasan, Jignasanto, Jignasantaha. You follow? All these are desideratives. Desire, the wishes, the desire is there. That. Understand? I will show you something which I preparing, but I have not done completely. Something I will show you 1 minute. You see, this is for other class. They are much advanced. That is Padatu. Patamicha. Pipasa. But Pipasa, you get a new dhatu. Patamicha, Pipasa. Now, Nishta Pratyaya, we had Pipasitaha. Pipasitaha. Tavatu Pratyaya, Pipasitavan. Then Tuman Pratyaya, Pipasitum.
Pesitum.
Tva Pratyaya, Pipasitva. Ya Pratyaya, Prapipasya. Trich Pratyaya is referring to the person. Karta, very Karta. Trich Pratyaya. Vaida, just now we saw, right? Pipasita. Nul Pratyaya, Pipasataha. The one who has a desire, who is the desirous, who is a desire of drinking. And Pipasanam, just Bhavartha. Desire to the Icha, it is desire to drink. Shatranta, Pipasat, Pipasan, Pipasanto, Pipasantaha. Similarly, Gratum, Jigrasan, Jigrasanto, Jigrasantaha. Dma to blow. Shankanta Dmau, Dmadatu. Dmadatu become in Litakara, Datmuhu, and all. Okay, Litlaka. In Gita, it is Didmasat, Didmasan, Didma. Similarly, Sme to smile. Sisma Yishat. We don't know what it is. That is, sorry, like that, it will become. Okay. Similarly, here also, in our place, Lapsya Lipsamanaha, it will become. Wishing to obtain it, because the desire is that desire to gain. In order, but to make it simple, I just made it Icha, which both will convey the same meaning. Which is better, Rajaji? This Icha is okay, right?
Yes.
So let us be happy with Icha now. Wishing to, desire to, that we will see later. We'll stop here. Have we done this? Magita, have we done this?
No, Guruji, we haven't done Karmani of.
Okay. Karmani would be, okay. Dhanam eshishyantah archakaha shloka ratishyanti. Karmani would be?
Dhanam eshishyant.
I'll just copy one minute.
Eshishyadbhihi.
Dhanam
Eshishyadbhihi archakaihi shlokaha ratishyante.
Yes, Yeshish. yadbihi. So ye, shish, yadbihi, achikaihi shlokaha
Ratishyante.
drishyante. Yes. Okay, I think we'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. I don't think nobody would have done like this, huh? Such a translation, putting in Karmani, Kartari, future tense. But it
Yes.
helps you to develop the language, of course.
Yes.
Yes, Guru.
I don't think anyone, I mean, I would even, my teacher and I will never you'll just quickly rush all these things we have to learn on our own. So anyway, all these are good exercise. Even if you spend time, it is worth, you get idea and you're asking very good doubts. I think that's
Yes.
clear. For me also, that is becoming very clear. We do. Yeah, that's good. Thank you. Dhanyawadaha.
Thank
Dhanyawadaha.
Dhanyawada, Guruji.
Please go
Guruji,
through.
what is kartumicha? What will be?
Very good. I thought nobody asked about this. Kartamita chikirsha. How it is derived and all. If you are ready, I will teach you. But we are not yet to. We are yet to see some other topic, and then we'll see. Kartamichuhu chikishuhu. Then chikirshati and
Kirshan.
chikirshat becomes chikirshan, chikirshanto, chikirsanta. Atmicha in Vekachudamani comes. Atmita jigasa. Jigasa vairagya we say, no? The desire to give up, not desire to know. Just want to leave and run, and then because of some shoka, whatever it is. Then again the person gets to samsara. That jigasa vairagya, not recommended. Jihasa, jihasuhu, jihasati, then jihasat, shatrantarupa. Any other one thing you want to know? Ask. Jignasa is important. Mumukshu is mumuksha. This is referring to the desire. See, dhatu is mumuksha. Please note, dhatu is mumuksha. From that we get this. Similarly, here dhatu is chikirsha. What is the last letter of all these dhatu? Ending with sun. Sun. Sa. That is sun pratyaya. Similarly, here also, jighasa is a dhatu. The new dhatu. It's all you derive a new dhatu by adding the sun pratyaya. Understand? So new dhatu. After that, it is like any other dhatu. You can add any pratyaya. Similarly, bubuksha is a dhatu. Sorry. Bubuksha is a dhatu, and that in the sense of desire, we add a pratyaya, then becomes bubuksha, and another pratyaya, if you add, becomes a desirer, and kartari, latlakara. I'm writing only latlakara. You can make future tense also. Why not? Latlakara, lotlakara, linglakara, even lang lakara. All the lakaras, lit lakara, every lakara we can do. And also Nijanta also we can do. Once you have done this, causative of this, moksha, okay. Moksha ishyami, that is okay. In Gita it is.
Desire.
Yeah, that also possible. That okay. Right? All these things are jigyasa. Similarly, lipsa is a dhatu. Lipsa. So you can see one common thing, all are ending with sa. Here it becomes shakara. It has become shakara because of some sandhi. Therefore, it was previously sakara. Here also sakara. Sa, all are sa. Sananta. Sanadantaha api dhatavaha. These are extended dhatus. Not in the dhatu bhata. These are all derived dhatus. Right? Yes. Any other dhatu you want to do? Tell me. We have done so many dhatus. Almost all the dhatus, different, a lot of rules are the other things are there in that. All, I don't remember everything, but I have taught. If you are interested, see Sananta. We'll do it sometime, like after some topics. Okay. Right?
Yes.
Dhanyawadaha.
Dhanyawadaha.
Dhanyawada, Guruji.
Dhanyawadaha.